So I'm going to take a few minutes to talk to you about the new GP-N or GP-Nato silencer. This is a universal suppressor that was made to fit A2 flash hiders, the common military style flash hider that so many people have in their collections. And to get started, what you're going to want to do is remove your muzzle device and replace a crush washer, if you have one, with shims. That's important. The product ships with shims. That's important because crush washers do not crush flat. They oftentimes crush, at an angle, which would cause baffle strikes or possible catastrophic failure of your silencer. So you're going to want to remove the muzzle device and clean off the threads and degrease them. We do that with a little brass brush. Take a few minutes to scrub those off. Once your muzzle threads are clean, then you take the shim set that's provided and you'd use as many shims as needed to allow the muzzle device to get into the appropriate o'clock position. So we're going to throw our shims on here and our muzzle device. And then you're going to want to torque this muzzle device due to the fact that it's a 1/2 by 28 thread. You're going to want to torque it to approximately 35 foot-pounds. No less than 35. You could go more than 35, but you don't want to torque it any less than 35. And you can do that with the included wrench. Okay. Once you've torqued to 35 foot-pounds, you are pretty much ready to put the silencer on. The silencer has the mounting interface machined right into the tube, so that is very precise and very robust. So it's a simple system. There's a collar and a tube, and so you're going to take the collar and put it into the rear groove in the muzzle device, and then you're going to put the silencer on over that and screw it down. The silencer does include 2 different wrenches, so once the silencer is snugged up by hand, for added security, you can interface the wrenches with the silencer as such and tighten those down. Okay. Once you've fired the silencer and you're finished using it, make sure you allow it to cool, as silencers get extremely hot. So once the silencer has cooled down and you're ready to remove it, just take those wrenches again, crack the mounting collar loose, and then you can take your silencer off. So that is pretty much it. Very easy product to mount up and use. The only extra things I have for you knowledge-wise is we do sell cleaning brushes on our website. These are Odie's brushes. You can get them anywhere, but out of convenience, we offer them on our website. The 3/4 inch brush is the appropriate one to use for your GP-N silencer, and that is to clean the internal bore of the silencer. That's pretty important. You're going to want to do that every time that you use this thing, because that'll keep this surface free of any carbon and copper deposits, which would otherwise make it hard to put it on the muzzle device. Additionally, you're going to want to clean the exterior of your muzzle device. So you want to make sure, and this is true of any silencer, not just this one, but you're going to want to make sure that your mounting interface is clean, the exterior of the mount as well as the interior of the silencer. Other than that, it's a welded and sealed silencer, so it doesn't really need that much cleaning very often, but if you do want to clean it, you can drop it in an ultrasonic cleaner or something like that. That may damage the finish, but you can easily spray finish back on. A lot of people do Cerakote, probably in your local area, if you get to that point, but we do have a lot of users that have used their silencers for years and years and years that have not cleaned them. We do offer a lot of user serviceable silencers that you can take apart for cleaning, but this particular silencer was made specifically for the 5.56 cartridge, more or less, and the AR-15. So it's a direct bolt-on pretty much for AR-15s with this style of muzzle device. One other thing to know, if you are law enforcement or government, we also do this product, or we will be doing this product in a government version. That version does not require the muzzle device to be taken off, so it can be a direct bolt-on to your rifles as they sit in the unit armory. So that's pretty cool. Direct bolt-on, no armor services needed for that version of the product. But this is the commercial version, and the commercial version, due to it having a little bit tighter bore diameter, we would recommend that you replace whatever you have behind the muzzle device with the included shim set. So that concludes the tutorial on the GP-Nato. Hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of knowledge there. Please check us out on Instagram, Facebook, hit our website, griffinarmament.com, subscribe to our newsletter for more cool videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.